after the film project on TIEWLARUN, Riti Academy is currently engaged in the preservation of indigenous species of ponies that were used in the film Apot. The stable for the ponies is being erected for proper care and domestication with sustainable and beneficial use of the animals. The construction of the road to Maumawar has hindered the carriage service of ponies and became a burden for the owners to sustain their livelihood. About a decade ago, ponies were being used for carrying of agricultural produce from the field to the nearest roadway and sometimes up to the market at Maukarwat. From a very young age, Bitali Kharsimyong was fascinated with the wild ponies during his jungle tours and gradually brought them to the village for fun and pastime. Subsequently, he used them for carrying his stuff from the field and occasionally helped his fellow farmers for the purpose for a paltry monetary obligation. Following this, there began a demand for a professional carriage service that lasted for about a couple of decades. Later, when the road reached the village, his services were no longer required, and that was when the problem of rearing the ponies became a burden.
Kita pungkit ikini keba ini sola ini bon ini pungkit ba mungkin marang inang cengai bah jaka ban jet kejap nang stom te don kulai la kham aram sok.
There were other alternative utilization of the ponies, but it was difficult to sustain, and the film project of Riti Academy since 2018 has rendered little benefit. After realizing the plight of Kharsimyong regarding the survival of the ponies, the Indian National Trust for Cultural Heritage was approached for support, and Riti Academy initiated a livelihood project for the local farmers and the ponies with certain innovative ideas for economic generation with self-sustained local intervention. The ambitious project is aimed at preserving the natural habitat with simultaneous tourism-related activities of horse riding and other forms of pastimes at the village itself.